All right, I just made my chocolate protein ice cream recipe. We are gonna make some easy Ninja Creami peach sorbet protein ice cream. Super easy. 4 ingredients, okay? We got whey protein. I get this from Costco. It's vanilla ice cream flavored. It's okay. It's not amazing, but I found a way to make these ice cream recipes good, even with average, maybe slightly above average protein powder. You're gonna need a can of peaches, some monk fruit sweetener, and Fairlife. So, first things first, we are going to pour your Fairlife, your Ninja Creami cup. Halfway is a cup, so we're gonna do about a half cup, which is about 1/4 of the container. And that's going to be a half serving of Fairlife. It's right there. You have 60 calories, about 6.5 grams of protein. Then you're gonna wanna add a scoop of protein powder. Fruit sweetener. You get a fork to stir it up, because that protein powder likes to clump up a little bit. And then add in your peaches. Splat! Once you get your peaches in there, just mix it up the best that you can. Once you've got it all mixed up, put your lid on. Put this bad boy in the freezer for 24 hours. We're gonna do that right now. All right, fresh out the freezer. Here she is. Fully frozen. We're gonna run the outside edge under hot water and then put it on the light ice cream setting once. If it's crumbly, twice. All right, just blended it once. That is so good. All right, this is unreal. It's so creamy. The texture, I kid you not, texture is 9 out of 10. Flavor is like an 8 out of 10. It's not super sweet. You can tell it doesn't have a ton of real sugar in it, but it's just like a nice, smooth, creamy peach ice cream. And for what, 30 something grams of protein? Unreal. Unreal.